Cercopithecidae. The family known as Cercopithecidae represents the largest and most diverse group of primates, commonly referred to as Old World monkeys, which are native to a vast range of environments across Africa and Asia. These primates are biologically distinguished from their New World counterparts by several key physical traits, most notably their narrow nostrils that point downward and the presence of ischiocallosities, which are thickened pads of skin on their buttocks that allow them to sit comfortably on thin branches for long durations. This family is divided into two major subfamilies, known as the Cercopithecinae and the Colobinae. The Cercopithecinae include well-known species such as baboons, macaques, and vervet monkeys, all of which possess specialized cheek pouches used to temporarily store food while foraging in potentially dangerous open areas. In contrast, the Colobinae, which include langurs and colobus monkeys, are primarily leaf eaters that have evolved complex multi-chambered stomachs to ferment tough plant cellulose through bacterial action. Old World monkeys exhibit a wide array of social structures, ranging from the massive troops of geladas in the Ethiopian highlands to the smaller, female-bonded groups of rhesus macaques, and they play a critical role in their ecosystems as both predators of small animals and dispersers of seeds. Cebidae. The Cebidae family consists of the capuchins and squirrel monkeys, which are widely regarded as some of the most intelligent and versatile primates found in the tropical forests of Central and South America. These New World monkeys are characterized by their relatively large brain-to-body mass ratio, which manifests in their extraordinary ability to solve complex problems and utilize tools in the wild. For example, robust capuchins have been observed using heavy stones as hammers and anvils to crack open hard palm nuts, a behavior that requires a high level of cognitive planning and physical coordination. While they are primarily arboreal, they possess semi-prehensile tails that provide balance and support as they leap through the canopy in search of a highly varied diet consisting of fruits, insects, and small vertebrates. Socially, members of the Cebidae family live in multi-male and multi-female groups, where social grooming and complex hierarchies are essential for maintaining peace and ensuring the survival of the offspring. Their high activity levels and inquisitive nature make them central figures in the ecological dynamics of the neotropics, as they are constantly moving through the forest and interacting with a wide variety of plant and animal species.
Atelidae. The Atelidae family contains some of the largest and most specialized arboreal primates in the Americas, including the spider monkeys, howler monkeys, woolly monkeys, and muriquis. The most defining physical feature of this family is the possession of a fully prehensile tail, which serves as a fifth limb and is equipped with a sensitive, hairless tactile pad on the underside that allows the monkey to grip branches with incredible precision and strength. This adaptation allows atelids to hang suspended by their tails while using both hands and feet to reach for distant fruits or young leaves, a feeding strategy that maximizes their reach in the high canopy. Howler monkeys, a prominent member of this family, are famous for their incredibly loud vocalizations, which are made possible by an enlarged hyoid bone in their throat that acts as a resonator, allowing their calls to travel for miles through the dense jungle to announce territorial boundaries. Unlike many other primates, members of the Atelidae family often live in fission-fusion societies, where the larger group splits into smaller subgroups during the day to forage and reunites at night, a strategy that helps them manage food competition in environments where resources may be widely scattered. Calatrichiae. The Calatrichiae family is a unique group of New World primates that includes the marmosets and tamarins, which are notable for being the smallest of all monkey species and possessing several distinct biological characteristics. One of the most striking features of calatrichiids is that they have evolved claw-like nails called tegulae on almost all of their fingers and toes, rather than the flat nails found on other primates, which enables them to cling vertically to tree trunks while they gouge into the bark to feed on sap and gum. Their reproductive strategy is also highly unusual among primates. They almost always give birth to fraternal twins, and the entire social group participates in the care of these infants through a system of cooperative breeding. In these groups, the father and other subordinates often carry the young for the majority of the day, handing them back to the mother only for nursing, which reduces the energetic burden on the breeding female. These small, energetic monkeys occupy the lower and middle layers of the forest and are known for their rapid movements and high-pitched vocalizations, often forming mixed species associations, where different types of tamarins travel together to better detect predators like snakes and birds of prey.
Pithecidae. The Pithecidae family encompasses a fascinating group of primates, including the sakis, wakaris, and titty monkeys, most of which are specialized for life in the dense forests of the Amazon basin. These monkeys are often recognized for their specialized dental adaptations, particularly their robust canines and incisors that allow them to practice seed predation, which involves breaking through the extremely hard outer husks of unripe fruits to consume the nutritious seeds inside that other primates cannot access. Titty monkeys, which are a core part of this family, are famous for their monogamous social structure, where a single breeding pair forms a lifelong bond and spends a significant amount of time sitting together with their tails intertwined as a sign of their emotional connection. Walkeries, another member of this family, are easily identified by their strikingly bright red, hairless faces and very short tails, the latter of which is a rare trait among New World monkeys. The health of a walkery is often reflected in the redness of its face, and they move through the flooded forests in large nomadic groups that search for seasonal fruit flushes, making them vital indicators of the overall health of the Amazonian ecosystem. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment below and let me know which of these 5 monkey families is your favorite and why you find them interesting. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.